Hi everyone. Today we are talking about what is YouTube handle. A YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a well-defined presence on YouTube. I am here to show you how it will work. So without wasting time, let's move to my YouTube channel. Here is my home page. Let's move to YouTube Studio. Just click on the icon, click on YouTube Studio. It will take you to the main page of your channel dashboard. In the left hand side, can you see all the titles showing the options in your YouTube channel? You have to click to the customization, and there is 3 tabs there: layout, branding and basic info. You will click on basic info, and here you can see my channel name there, Waliha and Saliha vlogs. And then if you will see, there is handle option. I already have this done long time ago, so this is not something which is very new. I can show you some other different things in my channel also. There is my channel URL which is different, and then there is custom URL which is as it is, which I made, youtube.com/c/Waliha and Saliha vlog. So this is something unique. Let's go to another browser which is like where I didn't do any changes, and then we can see what we can do there. Okay, so here is my another channel where I didn't do any changes there in this one. So let's go to the YouTube Studio, and then here I can see one of the notification which says stand out and help people find and connect with you by choosing a unique YouTube handle. I just click there, and here it is showing me Prime Meridian Tax Solution. It's time to choose your handle. I click on the choose handle, and here it shows me youtube.com/@prime-meridian-tax-solutions. For me this name is fine. It is exactly as my channel name. I try to give some space there, but it is not taking any space or any extra hyphen or full stop. You cannot do that. So for me this name is fine, and then you can see one green icon there which says it's okay, and then I'm confirming the selection, which means my unique URL name is now youtube.com/@prime-meridian-tax-solutions. So this is the perfect way. Like if you are telling your channel name to anyone, you can simply mention that your channel name is youtube.com/ and then your channel name, which will really reduce the confusion of all the viewers of the YouTube. Because sometimes it happens with my friends, if I am telling my channel name to anyone, they're just searching my channel name and they're finding a lot of different channels which have the same kind of names. So this is to avoid that confusion, which is very good. I'm liking it a lot and hope you like my video too. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.